When considering WinEst for your construction management needs, there are a few things you need to know before diving in. In this video, we'll walk you through 12 key points to help you decide if it's the right choice for you, especially when compared to other options like Buildertrend or Procore. First up, WinEst is known for its powerful estimating capabilities. If you're looking for accuracy and detailed project cost analysis, WinEst excels here. It's designed to make estimating straightforward, with a database of cost items that you can easily adjust based on your specific project needs. This gives it a solid edge over other software that might have less customizable options. Next thing to consider is its integration with other software. WinEst offers integration with accounting tools, scheduling, and project management platforms. However, it's not as flexible as some competitors, like Procore, which offers more robust integration options out of the box. Depending on your existing system, this could either be a benefit or a limitation. The third thing is WinEst's ease of use. While it's packed with powerful features, it's not as intuitive as some other software in the market. Competitors like Buildertrend are generally considered more user-friendly, especially for teams without dedicated IT staff. With WinEst, you might face a steeper learning curve, especially if you're new to construction management software. The fourth thing you need to know is that WinEst shines when it comes to the level of detail in its cost tracking. If you need highly granular breakdowns of labor, material, and overhead costs, WinEst does this exceptionally well. But this level of detail can be overwhelming if you don't need that level of specificity, so it's worth considering what your team actually requires. The fifth point is the mobile experience. WinEst has a mobile app, but it's not as feature-rich or polished as apps from competitors like Buildertrend or Procore. If your team relies on mobile functionality for fieldwork, you might find the app lacking in features or user experience compared to others. The sixth thing is its reporting capabilities. WinEst provides robust reporting options, particularly for cost estimations and project budgeting. However, when comparing it to tools like Procore, it doesn't offer as much flexibility in terms of customizable reports. If you need specific or dynamic reports, this could be a deal breaker. Next up, the seventh thing is project collaboration. WinEst has tools for project collaboration, but it's not as strong in this area as competitors like Buildertrend, which focus heavily on real-time communication and document sharing. If team collaboration is a priority, you may want to consider other options with more advanced features. The eighth thing is the learning curve. As mentioned earlier, WinEst isn't as intuitive as some other solutions, but it does offer a lot of training resources. However, it might require more time and effort to master compared to more streamlined software. The ninth thing is WinEst's scalability. While it's an excellent choice for smaller and mid-sized businesses, large enterprises may find its feature set somewhat limiting compared to more scalable options like Procore, which can support large, complex projects with greater ease. The 10th point is WinEst's customer support. The software offers solid customer service, but when compared to the customer support offered by companies like Procore or Buildertrend, you might not get the same level of personalized, hands-on support. The 11th thing to know is its price. WinEst tends to be more affordable than high-end software like Procore, which can be a huge advantage for smaller businesses with tight budgets. However, it might not offer the full range of features you'd get with the more expensive options, so it's important to weigh the cost against the features you really need. Finally, while WinEst is a solid choice for estimating and budgeting, it may not offer as comprehensive a suite of features as other construction management tools. If you need all-in-one solutions for project scheduling, collaboration, and document management, you may want to explore alternatives like Procore. In conclusion, WinEst can be a great option if you're looking for a specialized tool for estimating and cost management. However, if you're seeking a more robust, all-inclusive construction management solution, you might want to check out our recommended alternative. It's a great option, and the best part is that you can try it for free.